Good morning, students of class 5. We have come back to our English 1 class. Today I am going to start our chapter Conjunction, chapter 30. Open page number 123. Before vacation, from day after tomorrow, we have our winter vacation. So before vacation, I want to complete this chapter, and I'll sending you the assignment by tomorrow. Okay, if it is possible, try to send them today, or by tomorrow you'll get the assignments. Conjunction. What is conjunctions? A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words, group of words, or sentences. Yes. What is a conjunction? A conjunction is a joining word. It joins words, group of words, or sentences. Yes. Giving you some example. It is given in the book. Cricket and tennis are my favorite games. Is here joining words cricket, tennis, joined by the word and. So here conjunction is and, cricket and tennis. And is joining word. Number 2, I need some colored papers and a bottle of glue. Joining group of words here. What are the words? Some colored paper, a bottle of glue. Is joining by a word and. Number 3, Manashi wrote the invitation card and Mohit decorated the room. Here, joining sentences. Manasi wrote the invitation card, a sentence. Mohit decorated the room. Joined by the word and. So, what do we understand from here? A conjunction joins words, group of words, and sentences. Clear? We use and to join two words of the same part of speech, or a noun and a pronoun, or two short sentences expressing similar ideas. Clear? We use and to join two words of the same part of speech, or a noun and a pronoun, or two short sentences expressing similar idea. He is sincere and hardworking. Sincere and hardworking is joined by and. Both are same type of words. Salim and I study together. Salim here noun and I pronoun are joined by the word and. Sincere and hardworking are adjectives, same parts of speech, so they are joining by and. She went to the market and bought some ribbon. Yes, these two short sentences expressing a similar idea. Next, we use but to join contrasting words of sentences. We use but to join contrasting words or sentences. Anil is intelligent but careless. Intelligent and careless are contrasting words. So it is joining by the word but. Anil is intelligent. Anil is careless. So it is joining by the word but. Anil is intelligent but careless. John fell off a running bus but was not hurt. Yes, John fell off a running bus. He was not hurt. We are joining two sentences by the word but. John fell off a running bus but was not hurt. We use or whenever there is a choice. Yes, we have to take tea or coffee. You have a choice there. Like this, you should hurry up or you will miss the bus. If you will do hurry, then you will get the bus, or you will miss it. You have a choice here. We use because if sentence say something and the second sentence gives a reason. As for reasoning, we use because. Harjit is absent because he has a fever. Yes, Harjit is absent because he has a fever. The reason of the absence is fever. Yes, clear to you all. Here are some examples on page number 124. You have to read the examples carefully and understand the use of some conjunction here. What are the conjunctions here? That, when, until, if, unless, although, so that. These are the conjunctions we are using in these sentences. You have to learn how to use these conjunctions. Here, teacher thinks that Sachin can become a good artist. What did teacher think? That Sachin can become a good student, good artist. I have I have heard that the school is closed tomorrow. I heard that the school is closed tomorrow. Juhi was still doing her homework when the lights went out. When Rina was going through the book, he came across a beautiful picture. Don't get off the train until it has completely stopped. Do not start moving until the light turns green. If you have if you take a glass of warm milk, you will feel better. You must take off your shoes if you want to go inside the temple. You cannot enter unless you produce your identity card. You will not get the money unless you will sign this letter. Although the blankets were attractive, they were not warm. Although he is quite rich, he is leading a simple life. We rented this house so that we could live near the school. Mr. Cowell went to our specialist so that he could get best possible advice. Okay. Now question number D, page number 24. You have to underline the conjunctions. Underline the conjunctions in these sentences. Navya was full of confidence when she entered the examination hall. Here, when is a conjunction. Underline when. Although they offered a handsome discount, he sell, the sale did not the sales did not pick up. Although they offered a handsome discount, the sales did not pick up. Although, here's conjunction. If the fuel prices go up further, it will be difficult to keep a car. Conjunction here, if. Pallavi promised that she would clean up her room in the evening. Joining word or conjunction is that. I shall not attend his brother's wedding unless he invites me. Unless, conjunction here. We left early so that we might not get caught in a traffic jam. So that. Be punctual, or you will be fined. Or, underline or is a conjunction. It is contrasting word. The plants dried up because nobody watered them regularly. It's a reasoning. Because, underline because. It was the last day of the school and the children were excited. And, conjunction. We cannot start this project until we get approval from the principal. Until, underline until. Although very few children were present, the teacher did not cancel the test. Although very few children were present, the teacher did not cancel the test. Although, underline although. She is slow, but she does not make mistakes. Underline but. Okay, thank you for today.